Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the WhatsApp chat widget so you can connect with your customers in real time, build trust, and reduce cart abandonment in just a few minutes. This widget lets you customize how WhatsApp chat appears on your store, giving shoppers a direct way to reach you whenever they need help. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. Customizing your Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets, select the WhatsApp chat widget. To enable or disable it, head over to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, WhatsApp Chat. Here you can customize all settings. Block name, used for internal identification. I recommend leaving it as is, so you don't accidentally cause display issues. Title. This is the display title your customers will see. Example, chat with us. Profile image. Upload your WhatsApp profile picture, or even your store's logo. Keeping this consistent with your branding builds trust and recognition. Profile name. Enter your WhatsApp display name. Example, Jane Doe. This way, your customers know they're messaging the right business. Profile subtitle. Add a short tagline under your profile name. Example, typically replies within minutes. Question, pre-fill a default message for customers to use when starting a chat. Example, hi there, how can I help you? WhatsApp number. Enter your WhatsApp business number so messages go directly to you. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chat widget is now set up and ready to go. By customizing it, you'll make it easier for shoppers to reach you, reduce cart abandonment, and increase conversions, all without disrupting their browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.